Hey everyone. If you want to create a fast and clean website without heavy coding, Docsify is a great tool to use. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a website using Docsify from setup to publishing. First, install node.js on your computer. This is required because Docsify runs using a node-based environment. Next, open your terminal and install docsify CLI. This tool helps you quickly create and manage your website structure. Now create a folder for your website. This will store all your files and content in one place. Initialize Docsify inside that folder. This automatically generates the basic structure for your website. Start the local server to preview your site. This allows you to see real-time changes in your browser as you edit. Now edit your markdown files. This is where you build your website content using simple text, headings, and links. Finally, customize your theme and deploy your website using GitHub pages. This makes your site live so anyone can access it online. So yeah, that's how you create a website using Docsify from start to finish. Follow each step carefully and you can launch a clean website in just a few minutes. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy guides.